Hello lovely viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a topic that's close to the hearts of many immigrants in Canada. The super visa for parents in Canada. If you ever wondered about how to reunite with your parents or grandparents in the Great White North, you're in the right place. We've got all the information you need to make your family reunification dreams a reality. Whether you're a Canadian citizen or a permanent resident, the super visa is your golden ticket to having your loved ones by your side for extended periods of time. We'll explore the eligibility criteria, the application requirements, and the details you need to know about super visa. So let's get started. First up, super visa eligibility. Super visa is specifically for people who have a child or a grandchild having Canadian PR or citizenship. That child or grandchild must be residing in Canada and must be 18 years of age at the time of application. The child who is based in Canada, in other words, the sponsor of super visa, must meet a specific income threshold before they can sponsor a super visa applicant. The sponsor has to provide a letter of support at the time of super visa application which states that they are willing to provide financial support to the applicant of super visa during the entirety of their stay in Canada. Let's have a look at the requirements for super visa now. So the first and foremost requirement for a super visa is that the sponsor must meet income threshold based on their family size. The sponsor has to show proof of Canadian income, ideally through their latest notice of assessment. If you're a new immigrant or you don't meet the income threshold as per your latest notice of assessment, you may use some alternative documentation such as salary slips or a salary letter or bank statements to prove your earned income till date in last 12 months. To calculate the required income, first calculate the family size. Family size will include the sponsor and any dependents that the sponsor has, such as a spouse or children, and the number of people being invited on super visa. Just to explain, say for example, if a Canadian PR is inviting both his parents to Canada for a super visa and he himself is married with no kids, the family size will be 4. Now you need to look at the income table and ascertain the income required for a family of 4 people. Now where to find the income table? Check out the description of this video and it will have a link for income table. Alternatively, you may mention your family size in the comments below and my team will reply with the current income levels that are required for your super visa application. Second important requirement for super visa is that there has to be an arrangement of health insurance for the super visa applicants. The requirement is that at the time of application, proof of purchase must be provided, that insurance policy is there which has a coverage valid for at least 1 year from the date the applicant will actually land in Canada on super visa. The insurance must cover healthcare, hospitalization and repatriation cost if there is a need while the applicants are inside Canada on a super visa. The insurance must provide a minimum of $100,000 of coverage. Let's now have a look at some of the details of the nitty-gritties for super visa. So super visa is not a work visa and it does not grant any permanent residency rights to the applicant. It is more like an extended visitor visa that is specifically open for parents and grandparents of Canadian PRs and citizens. Super visa holders can stay in Canada for up to 5 years in one single go, unlike a visitor visa which only allows you a maximum stay of 6 months. It is a multiple entry visa, meaning you can come and go as many times and whenever you wish. The validity of super visa is 10 years from the time that it is granted. Super visa is a great option for immigrants who have elderly parents outside of Canada and who would want the parents to come to Canada and stay for longer periods of time with them. Hopefully, this video gives you a good idea about Super Visa Canada for parents. If you like the video, do consider subscribing and following the channel and sharing the video with others. For any questions that you may have, post them in the comment section and my team will get back to you. If you need any help with your super visa application, or for that matter, any kind of immigration matter, then you can book an online consultation session with our immigration firm. The link for that is provided in the description of the video. Take care of yourself and your loved ones, and we will soon meet again in another video about some other immigration matter. Stay blessed, stay happy.